There's one mistake that I see digital nomads make over and over again, and honestly, I made it myself also. So we were just in Cape Town with my girlfriend recently, and she was having a little problem with her toe, and I just realized suddenly that, oh, we don't have any coverage for her. We were a little bit hesitant to go to the hospital in Cape Town because who knows how expensive it would be. So we kind of just waited it off as it wasn't that bad, but then it started getting worse. And when we got back to Bali, it was like getting so bad that we had to go to the hospital and got pretty expensive surgery for it. So then it really hit me, like one thing like this could really ruin the trip or even your life. If we would have had a good travel medical insurance like the partner of this video, Safety Wing, we could have fixed the issue in Cape Town easily and stress-free. So yeah, if you are living this lifestyle, moving countries, booking one-way tickets, and staying flexible, traditional insurance doesn't really work with fixed dates, complicated claims. It's not a good fit with the nomad lifestyle. And that's why many people just don't bother or don't even realize that their previous home country insurance don't work anymore after a few months abroad. And yeah, I get this question all the time in my community, like what insurance do I actually use? So yeah, after that pretty traumatic experience with my girlfriend, we decided that it's a non-negotiable for her also to have a good travel medical insurance, and we use Safety Wing that I have also used myself for years already. And the reason is simple, it actually fits perfectly to our nomad lifestyle. And yeah, if you're planning to travel or if you already have left your home country, you can still sign up in just few minutes. I will leave a link in the description so you can join also, and yeah, just make sure you don't forget about this because I have heard so many horror stories of people not having good travel medical insurance when something happens, as it usually does at one point. And yeah, why Safety Wing is so good is that it's specifically designed for digital nomads. It works like a subscription, there's no fixed dates you need to have for your trip. And you can be abroad as long as you want and be covered in 180 plus countries. And you can cancel anytime. The biggest thing in Safety Wing for me is the flexibility. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna be in 2 months, and with Safety Wing you really don't need to know either. And it's so nice, I need to sign up once, don't need to say where I'm going, and just like keep living this lifestyle for years and years, and it's the same policy, same coverage, same everything. I don't need to do something all the time to change it, depending on where I'm going. And with the essential plan, you basically covered for up to 250,000 US dollars, and for anything basically that can happen unexpectedly, like you covered for that. You can go to nice hospitals, you can get everything figured out. So that's why I like Safety Wing also. Like, I've been using it for years, never had any issues with it. So basically never need to stress about like what if something happens, like can I get good treatment or anything like that. Like, it's all figured out with this one insurance. They also have many travel benefits. If something happens with your trip or flights or luggage, there's coverage for those kind of unexpected events also. But there's even more things why I love Safety Wing so much. It's actually been almost 1 year since I upgraded to their complete plan. Because before that I was just thinking about emergencies, which was super useful with the essential plan from Safety Wing. Definitely saved me many times over the years. But realistically, long term, most issues are not really emergencies. And as I am a long-term nomad, like I'm living abroad around the world for long term, I wanted to have a proper coverage for anything that could happen long term, any health issues, things that hopefully doesn't ever happen, like cancer, anything like this. I wanted to have a coverage for all of that because I want the best treatment in the best hospitals if something would happen. It just gives me total peace of mind, not just for the worst case scenario, but for like everyday stuff too. So yeah, with the complete plan you will get up to $1.5 million overall limit, and it's more comprehensive healthcare. It also has coverage for preventative care, wellness treatments, mental health support and cancer treatment, and much more. As you can see here, it's pretty much like the feeling of like, okay, like whatever comes up, whatever therapy or thing I need for my body, for my mind, for any sickness, health issue, is covered by this one insurance. And that's why I love it so much. It's really amazing feeling since I got this. Actually, I got so many things covered, like vaccines, doctor visits, health checkups, like a lot of different, even like physiotherapy when I had issue in my toe, like everything covered. For me, it's just the freedom to take the best possible care about my health and well-being without thinking about money, which is why it's so awesome. And one thing that is also awesome with this, that you can get your own Safety Wing debit card. So yeah, when you're paying for your doctor visit or anything, you just pay with that, with Apple Pay. and you don't need to worry about any money leaving from your own account and then needing to wait for the claim to go through to get it back. It just goes from the SafetyWing account, so that's amazing also. Like, one more thing that I love this thing so much. So yeah, for the claims, which already have been so easy to make, like it's not difficult at all, it's very simple process. But now when you pay with the SafetyWing card, basically most of the details are already pre-filled based on where you paid it, how much you paid, so it's even easier. But yeah, I will show you quickly how it works. Let's say I just had a crash with my scooter and scratched my leg something. So let's just put here scooter health. Let's say it was yesterday, continue, no. And as always, you need to have a medical report and receipt. That's all you need to prove that you got the treatment. So you just add those. And then you add the details with the card. This would be pre-filled. So let's say it was 6,000 Thai baht. Thailand, Kopangan. And then you explain what happened. Crashed scooter on sandy road. Next. And then just no and next and complete. That's it. Like, that's so easy to do the claim, and then you just wait a few days, you will get your money back if you paid with your own card, or if it's through the SafetyWing card, then you just get confirmation that it's all okay. So yeah, claims are extremely easy as everything with SafetyWing. When you're signing up for SafetyWing, you can see the price clearly. It's very transparent, nothing crazy going on like with traditional insurances it often is. So you just need to choose which one you want, the essential plan, which is good in the beginning, but if you're long term, maybe think about the complete, then you just sign up and get that. Like, it's super simple. So yeah, I've been doing this lifestyle for years now, and I have tried many setups and doing my research, and this is the best one in my opinion, the one that I have stuck with now for years. And everything with this lifestyle is replaceable: flights, accommodation, plans, but your health is not. And when something goes wrong abroad, it usually gets very serious very quickly. So if you're already traveling or planning to seriously get covered, you can sign up to SafetyWing even if you're already abroad. You can click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. It's one of those things you hope you will never need, but you're very glad when you have it. So yeah, one more time, please don't forget. I don't want any of my viewers going into trouble when traveling abroad, because yeah, there's a lot of things that can happen, especially in Southeast Asia. I have seen so many horror stories, so don't be one of those, please.